Hello dear friends, today I'm very excited. Do you know why? I'm buying a new car. Can you guess which car it is? Write it in the comments. Yes, it is Grand Vitara. So right now they are cleaning it, but when it's ready, I'm going to show it to you from inside and outside. So now I'm waiting for my car and it's taking so long. So I'm little bit hungry. I'll take my packet. This and I don't know what these buttons use, and this is the screen where I'm going to play my music. Now let's go back, and it also has some here. Now from the back side they give me this flowers. This one's so good, and they give me chocolates. I love chocolates. Now I want to show you something that is my favorite. Sunroof and moonroof. Wow! I'm going to show you it in the end. Right now it's closed because this is the sunroof and the moonroof. See you in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.